there's a coil bringing that. It's a coil that is constant feeding here.
Cool. Yeah.
Yeah, all the time here. So you don't want it. You don't want like stuff getting stuck there. Just sawdust only.
Yeah.
Starting here. Yeah. And how much space does that give you to come up here?
20 feet.
So we're just putting in these plastic posts to figure out how much space we have.
So we had someone come out and mark the gas line. Ended up moving it over a little bit. And where these electric fence posts are is where we're putting the posts. These T-posts. These are going to be the posts for the drying line. Not enough.
Move it around.
That's it.
What do you think? That's good.
Good. Then to level it.
Are you? Yeah. Yeah, I know. I know this person. Yeah. Yeah.
Not too low. Yeah. That's it.
I'm not sure what you're asking. So yesterday we put these poles in and concreted in. They're very solid this morning. So I'll be tightening these bolts in, these eye hooks that I put in yesterday, and put the line up this morning. Here's where we hit the pipe yesterday. So I had to fix that today, but we cut out a piece and looks like we got some roots in them. So I just made it back from the hardware store. I wasn't able to find exactly what I wanted. I wanted a straight on through instead of like a T. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to improvise. I'm going to use this top. I was able to find a cap, PVC pipe cap, 4-incher. Just slide right in there, and then we'll cap it off in that way. And benefit to that is you can also use it as a clean out, which won't work as well going the one way here because of the way it's designed, but it'll work for what we're doing. Yeah, let's get that piece. Like so. Take a screw gun, I'll undo this, wrap it around so you can get my impact out of there. There we have a hole. That'll cover it. There's no holes around it. Yeah, that's good and tight. All of it, just enough where I can make this tight, which about halfway, a little more. Gonna run some water down right here on a downspout. That's what that is. So just go right here on the site, run it down. And as you can see, the water's coming through. And we got the water coming through down to the drain. Let's put that grass stuff on top then. Man, wow.
Yeah, they're growing like crazy. These were the ones.
These are the plant, oh, just before we left, huh?
Yeah.
Wow, the hostas really grown while we were gone. So did the stuff in the hotbed. Wow.
The sunflowers are going crazy.
Check out how much rain we had since we left. 4 inches.
Marigolds, so they can grow. Oh, the basil's starting to take off there. Good. Peas, this thing's loaded. Oh my goodness. These are ready to pick.
Nice. Let me go get a basket and pick them.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, yes.
What?
I didn't expect to have peas ready when we came home. I figured there'd be pods here, but I didn't expect them to be ready.
I'm gonna put some of these wood chips back away from the beans to help dry out.
Yeah. That'd be good. These things are loaded. I bet. These just. Oh, look, my calendula is ready to bloom. Nice. And the lavender's blooming like crazy.
Mm-hmm.
Check out those cute little peas. They're so sweet. They're the best right out of the pod like that. It is time to get the wire up for the tomatoes.
Yeah, but these flowers.
Oh yeah, these are good. Ah yes, the coxcomb. I'm gonna pick some more peas. These things are loaded. Plant right here.
Yeah, there's many.
Just picking the fattest ones right now.
These peppers are just not doing the greatest. Boy, these tomatoes, they're popping.
We're pinching off the tops of these peppers so that they get more bushy and put out more leaves and stuff. This is parsley right here. Need to harvest some of that. And the
Rosemary and the sage. Well, it's looking good.
Yeah. Oh, look, we can get more sweet potatoes.
Oh my. Yeah, I bet you the ones, the sweet potatoes, we like to pinch them off. Start them rooted. These are what?
There's some basil. That's a. Oh, there's the other. What was that? That's a sweet pepper.
Yes.
And this was a paprika pepper. And the oregano. That is
Oregano.
Oregano needs to. I need to harvest some oregano. What's happening here? They're slowly forming heads over there a little bit, but yeah, these are just staying kind of small. Better.
I'm excited to go see what the orchard looks like, especially the grapes.
Oh, God. Look at those wild blackberries.
Yeah, and this is the mullein.
Oh, that's going to seed now. That's good. We'll seed and start new plants next year. That's impressive. And these things are loaded. My goodness. Wow, wow, wow.
Yeah, there's still some blooms.
Blackberry cobbler coming up. A cherry bush. Man, this one still looks a little troubled. He's finally taken off. Let's see. Trying to do something about some of these weeds.
Definitely
And
grew
that
quite a bit.
big. There's some lemon balm tea. Need to harvest some of that too.
Yeah, it must have rained quite a bit.
It grew a foot too. Wow. That's just putting out a bunch of new leaves and shoots. Nice.
Yeah, these
Look at those grapes.
Wow. definitely got big.
They're getting nice
A lot
and big.
bigger. There's still some small ones here, I feel like.
We'll just pull those off.
These little ones, we've been trimming off these, quite a bit of these. So therefore,
It can put more energy into the others and make bigger grapes.
They're all over. Here's another small one.
Those are big. That's a big, nice big bunch too.
Some great wine coming up.
Yeah,
might as well clip this guy
quite a
off
bit
too.
Of grapes coming. Nothing flew out.
The bird nest right here.
Yeah, those things grew like crazy. I don't know that we'll see berries this year. I'm gonna just let them spread and
A lot of new
healthy.
shoots.
Yeah. Get healthy, and then we could probably take this off.
Yeah. I maybe take it off and put it around the little grape trees.
This plant's looking healthy, but it's literally got one blueberry that I can see. This one's got more.
Looking a little better.
Yeah, it is. The leaves are looking more green.
Maybe I should take a little bit more wood chips away from the bottom.
Maybe, yeah.
So these are the peppers that we brought back from Ohio from Katie's Roots and Recipe. I'm not sure actually what kind of peppers. Pumpkin peppers. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Anyways, they're going in the ground right here, both of them. Right between our basil, I believe, so it's called, and the onions.